Insulin resistance. Sounds like your body is fighting back, standing its ground. It is not. It is your body breaking down, quietly. Here is something most people do not realize. Insulin resistance does not feel like anything at first. No symptoms, no warning signs. You feel completely fine. But your pancreas is already working overtime just to keep your blood sugar in check. It is quietly compensating, and you have no idea. So what is actually happening? Think of insulin as a key and your cells as rooms. Insulin unlocks the doors so sugar can move in and be used as energy. But if you're not moving, not burning energy, the rooms stay full. There is nowhere to put the sugar. So when insulin knocks, the cell does not open the door. It's already packed. Your pancreas sees sugar still in the blood and panics. It makes more insulin, knocking harder, but the rooms are still full. Do that for years, and your cells get very good at ignoring the knock entirely. That is insulin resistance, officially defined as a condition where your body does not respond properly to insulin, the hormone your pancreas makes to regulate blood sugar. So what causes it in the first place? The root causes are inactivity, poor sleep, chronic stress, and a diet that keeps blood sugar constantly spiking. Your genes can make you more vulnerable, but lifestyle usually decides whether it actually becomes a problem. And here's where it gets frustrating. As insulin resistance develops, your body starts converting excess blood sugar into fat and storing it, especially around the belly. Blood sugar appears to drop, but insulin keeps circulating. And insulin's main job when it can't push sugar into cells is to store fat. More fat around the belly makes cells even more resistant, so the pancreas pushes out even more insulin, which stores even more fat. It's a cycle that keeps escalating until something breaks it. Now, the good news, it is reversible, often faster than people expect. Strength training is one of the most powerful tools because muscle tissue absorbs glucose without needing insulin. Even walking after meals makes a measurable difference. Better sleep and lower stress both improve insulin sensitivity directly. And if you carry extra body fat, even a moderate reduction can reset how your metabolism responds. You don't need a perfect plan. You need consistent signals. Move more, sleep better, manage stress, build some muscle. That's not generic advice. That's directly targeting the mechanism behind insulin resistance. And the sooner you start sending those signals, the faster your metabolism responds. If this helped you understand what's actually going on inside your body, subscribe for more videos like this. Short, science-backed, and straight to the point.